Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction of SOL Harbor in Ocho Rios. Now when you look at these two massive towers, you would think, oh, Ocho Rios, it's a hotel. But actually it's not a hotel, it's residential units, and these more than likely will be used for Airbnb rentals. So if you look at Ocho Rios and the areas around Ocho Rios, this is a model that is being used now, the Airbnb model. Richmond Estate, the nicest development you will find in Jamaica, probably the Caribbean. They are residential units. They're not hotels, residential units, very popular for Airbnb. Draxall. One of the reasons why Draxall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica is because the units are being used for Airbnb rentals. You can't find one there now. Everybody wants to be in Draxall. Airbnb, Richmond Airbnb, Draxall Airbnb, Miami Bay, all the new developments going up now are residential units for Airbnb. Airbnb is a massive market in Jamaica. And that is the way, we still have hotels being built, but the majority of these developments, especially in Ocho Rios, Draxall, Richmond, are Airbnb rentals. So in 2023, 1.3 million, there were 1.3 million Airbnb rentals per night. 1.3 million. It's a $1 billion industry in Jamaica, and it is growing because as new developments like this one come to market, that's more Airbnb rooms. That 1.3 million is going to go to 2 million, 3 million, and continue growing. And the hotel industry is also growing as well, but the Airbnb model is doing very well. Now this is a tour of Ocho Rios. That's the Turtle Towers on the left. That's the Ocho, and this is the town of Ocho Rios. Very popular tourist destination, or very popular tourist town. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Airbnb market in Jamaica. Edmund Bartlett, Minister of Tourism, has highlighted that Jamaica's short-term vacation rental is booming, contributing to growth in the tourism industry. Data from Airbnb indicates that guest check-ins for January to December 2023 increased by 28% over 2022, generating an estimated 31.8 billion in gross earnings from 1.3 million guest nights, Bartlett revealed. He said the short-term vacation rental subsector continues to gain market share, with approximately 36% of visitors opting for this accommodation category. We anticipate that developments in the local construction sector will contribute additional stock to this subsector, the minister said. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So this development we're looking at straight ahead, perfect for Airbnb rentals. I think they're actually being built with Airbnb rentals in mind. Well, I shouldn't say they're being built. Persons are buying them to turn around and rent them via Airbnb. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. This is SOL Harbor. It's actually being done by Proven Properties, the development, and I'm not sure who the contractor is, but it's a Chinese contractor, and these buildings are actually going up very, very quickly. They're moving at a very fast rate. And this is actually one of the fastest developments I have seen go up. Between this one and the one in Montego Bay, the Hard Rock Cafe, I've never seen developments go up so quickly in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And also let us know what you think about the Airbnb market in Jamaica. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.